My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio. Here with me today is Ruby. She is a 6-month-old yellow lab who just completed our 2-week board and train program. When I first met Ruby, she had some regular lab puppy behavior. She's a little bit excitable, a little bit wild, but she also has some anxiety that we had to work through. When I first brought Ruby home, she wouldn't even walk down the stairs to get into my basement. Ruby's also very submissive and has a problem peeing when she feels threatened. So, over the course of the board and train, we worked very hard to build up her confidence to help mitigate that issue. Let's check out Ruby when I first met her on day 1.
Here, I'm running through all the commands Ruby will learn in our program. I'm asking her to come to me, but instead of coming, she's running right past me. Ruby did know sit, but had absolutely no stability in it. However, she did not know down. Not only did Ruby not know the place command, but she also had no confidence in herself. And walking with Ruby was terrible. She pulled every which way and was so heavily focused on everything that she couldn't keep herself focused on me.
This wild child has come such a long way in such a short amount of time, and I couldn't be more thrilled with her progress. Stick around and check out Ruby's amazing transformation after just 2 short weeks of training.
Hi.